National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, southwestern Sumter County in central South Carolina, southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Shaw Air Base, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sumter, Shaw Air Base, South Sumter, Oakland, Millwood, Poinsett State Park, Sumter County Airport, Pinewood, Paxville, King Savannah, Privateer, Wedgwood, Cherryvale, Statesburg, and Lakewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Money for fun.
Yeah, I heard the header and I had to pull out my phone quickly. Well, I wasn't quick enough, but I'm glad I called it.